Namaskar all of you, and once again welcome you in Music Vibes Cafe. As you all know that in earlier episodes we have already discussed about Naad, Swara or musical notes. Now the next basic point of music is Shruti, or we can say it a microtone. Dear friends, according to the ancient definition, Shruti is known as an interval of sound. Shruti is a musical sound and very much capable of being heard by the ear. These musical sounds have been divided according to their use into 22 small divisions, and they are known as Shruti. It means 22 Shrutis, or we can say it 22 microtones. Dear friends, Shruti is the microtonal interval, as you all know, of sound and play a very important role in our classical music, in our folk music, or we can say in every music. We all know that sound is all about frequency. So when we speak, we can use any frequency, but we can suddenly increase our pitch and we can suddenly reduce it. It doesn't matter. But when we sing, it is very important to control our pitch, because there are some specific points or pitches on which our ear can recognize the sound. That is why if we can sing on these points, we sound very pleasant. But if we can't sing on these points or Shrutis, it is out of pitch, or we can say it is a non-musical sound. So friends, each of these points are called Shrutis, and as long as we are singing one of these Shrutis, we sound pleasant. And if we sing something between the two, then it has called out of pitch or out of Shruti. Shruti is the smallest gradation of pitch available, while a Swaras is selected pitches. That is why Shruti is very important in music, and it has an interconnection of Swaras. If Swaras is there, then Shruti is also there. If Shruti is there, then Swaras is also there. As we all know that musical sounds are called nadas. In this way, sounds are progressively classified as: first point, all sounds in the world are dhwanis. Second, selected dhwanis become nadas, which provide a musical experience. Third, now the selected nadas become 22 shrutis. And fourth, out of these 22 shrutis, 12 are called swaras used in ragas. In ancient times, Shruti was described in Sanskrit as Shruvate iti Shruti. It means what is heard is a Shruti. Now we have to know about the name of Shrutis and the placement of swaras on Shruti. The name of Shrutis are Tivra, Kumuduti, Manda, Chandovati, Dayavati, Rajni, Raktika, Rodri, Krodri, Vajrika, Prasarini, Preeti, Marjini, Kshiti, Rakta, Sandeepini, Alapini, Mandati, Rohini, Ramya, Ugra and Akshobhini. These are 22 Shrutis. They played a very important role in our Indian classical music. Now dear friends, according to modern music, every Shruti is placed on that point, and every Swara is placed on its first Shruti, as you seen in slide. In ancient music, every Swara has placed on his last Shruti. According to the slide, Sa Swar has 4 Shrutis: Tivra, Kumuduti, Manda, Chandovati, and Sa is on Chandovati. Now Dayavati, Rajni, Raktika. Raktika is the last Shruti of Re. 3 Shrutis of Re. Rodri and Krodri, 2 Shrutis of Ga. Ga is on ninth Shruti. It's Krodri. Vajrika, Prasarini, Preeti and Marjani. 4 Shrutis of Ma. Marjani is the last Shruti of Ma. Shruti, Rakta, Sandeepni or Alapini. Alapini is 17th Shruti. Paswar. Last Shruti of Paswar. It means Pa has 4 Shrutis. Mandati, Rohini, Ramya. 3 Shrutis for Dha. Ramya is the last Shruti of Dha. And Ugra and Shobhini. Shobhini is a Shruti for Swar Ni. It means 2 Shrutis. So these are according to ancient time period. Now we can discuss about according to modern time period. Because in modern time period, Sa is on Tivra Shruti, first Shruti. Sa has placed on first Shruti. Now Re is placed on Dayavati Shruti. It is first Shruti of Re. Ga, first Shruti of Ga is Rodri. First Shruti of Ma is Vajrika. First Shruti of Pa is Kshiti, 14th Shruti. First Shruti of Dha is Mandati and first Shruti of Ni is Ugra. That's why we have to know about these Shrutis, because it has a very important role in our Indian classical music. So my dear friends, I hope you are able to understand it, and I have explained this topic to you in a very simple way. So if you have any doubt related to this topic or any query, so please send it in my inbox. Be happy, be safe, and bye.